Okay, it is Sunday morning, the 20th of January, and this is so weird. Yesterday I noticed that there were a whole lot of cranes out on the pond, right near my mom's house. I took a bunch of videos of them and some pictures. And we usually don't get this many cranes. And my mom and I loved looking at the cranes together. I don't know if you can see because of the glare. Probably not. Darn it. I came out this morning and the entire top of my mom's condo is nothing but dozens of cranes sitting on the roof of her condo like they are sitting vigil. I have never seen this many cranes in one time. I was surprised yesterday to see so many on the pond, but I was just taking out the trash and came back and they are lined up all the way down the building. I can't, this really isn't like a video camera. I'm going to get some glare. Oh, there they're taking off. That is so amazing. Darn this glare. Wow. I'm going to see if I can catch some out back. They are like sitting right on my mom's building. All lined up. I've never seen this. Never. Never this many, and never on my mom's roof. Wow. That is really something else. I really think they're here for my mom.